Sometimes we hold on to things mentally. Like our mind is the number one thing that can make us or break us. Y'all realize that? That's why I said if you feed your mind and you develop yourself, you don't have time to think about the things that happen to you. Like I don't have time to sit and be like, oh, I've been through this. I use every discrepancy that I've been through to empower me. Even with my sickle cell, I no longer call it sickle cell because I got super cells. There's a lot of other people out there that's been going through challenges the same way, but I use mine to empower myself. So anything that you have gone through within your life, I want you to empower yourself and use that to say, like, this is not going to hold me down. This is not going to stop me. That's why I said, like, what have you gone through? Because as long as you continue to hold on to that in your mind, you're continuously revisiting that experience. You're still holding yourself victim. And as it says, you cannot be a victor if you're living with a victim mentality. Because the mentality is the one thing that enables you or disables you. Like when people see me, I don't have a disability. There's nothing in my mind that says, Mars, you're disabled. I just refuse to believe that. Because as long as I'm above ground, I'm capable to do anything. As long as my mind is still functioning, I'm capable to do anything.